So, 2010 Elantra. Elantra. And taking the taillight out. Look. See that? Done. Like it, don't like it, share it. Share it, don't share, subscribe. No, I'm just joking. So, pull the rubber off. First things first. 1, 2 push pins, as you can see here. And why do I have another phone? What's the matter with you? Nope, sorry. Gotta go. Pull her back. And we have 3 8mm, which I already removed. 1, 2, and 3. They're the fine ones, which I like, because once you crack them, you just do them by hand. So this is how we get the taillight released. So those 3 8mm, and we put her back, and you put the whole thing back. This is how easy it is. Push her back. And that is it. Put the 2 push pins back, and then you call it a day. But we got to put the 8mm back before we do that. So I'm just showing you. Now, off to the trunk lid. Now, we have a beautiful bright sky with 2, also would be 8mm. As you can see here, I already removed them. So we've got 1, also 2, making 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this puppy just pops right out as well. But I don't want to take it out now, do I? Do I have to? It is suctioned in there. There you go. That's never been removed. So there you have it. Pop them back in. Put the 4 back. I'm pretty sure they're all 8mm, just like I have here. And we will move on with taking apart the dome light. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.